Sean, you're back out again, mate.
Yeah.
20. Oh no,
5th. Yeah.
So it's two weeks on. 2 weeks on Friday.
2 weeks Friday, yeah.
I just caught you doing 6 rounds with James
Ennigan.
Good kid. 5-0.
Very good, slick. Similar, but a bit similar really. Styles, these always laugh.
But he's a bit.
I get on them.
They don't
Pages.
They don't leave you alone, do they?
No.
They always consideration. They've got Luke Willis on the back of the shirts.
I know.
You're just second best now, aren't you, mate?
Nah, look, I'm the main man. Luke knows.
And also, you've just lost your reputation for having the biggest smile entering the ring, because I didn't think anyone could smile more than you. But entering that night, or was it September the 3rd when you walked into Olympia, it was huge. You lit up the whole room, but then you got outdone by Brandon Newell last weekend.
Yeah, he's had a long time out, hasn't he? Boxed well as well, didn't he?
He did.
On YouTube.
I think he never thought he was going to box again, so perhaps that's why.
Yeah.
But you just never stop smiling, mate.
I'm a happy guy, what can I say?
You're like a kid on the toy shop permanently.
No, everyone says that, they're all saying, no matter what we're doing in the gym, I always come in the same mood. On my face, ready to tackle it, whatever it is.
And smiling even more, I'll just drop your posters off, you've already got your tickets.
Yeah, so I've had, I got them like 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, something like that. But yeah, Bonnie night's a bit of a killer. I've had a few people saying you can't come because they're taking the kids out, but still done alright, still do near on what I done last time.
So we have fireworks on your night.
Loads of them.
We've no idea of opponent. Last time, was it Jordan Johnson?
Last time, yeah.
He is, he's really tough.
Yeah.
But you seem to still, like I say, you really enjoy it every second.
Yeah,
not just the entrance, but the whole fight.
Yeah, definitely, I loved it. You know what? I was laughing, he's all said, told me to milk it. I milked it, and now they all take the piss out of me for milking it. But I enjoyed it, I loved every minute of it. Just even there in the crowd and all that singing for it. I've never had that as an amateur, the only me, and Ben was on my way out. I could hear them all singing, and it was brilliant, honestly, I loved it. Can't wait to do it again.
Yeah. And do you know what's so good about this is it's only going to be 8 weeks from when you last fought by the time you step back in.
9 weeks, something like that. Stay busy, that's all I want to do. Keep as busy as possible. I'm only young, so as many learning fights as I can get. I feel like even after the last fight, I feel myself. I feel I've got a little bit more mature in my style than I even just from 8 weeks ago.
I think that is the difference. Once you had that first professional fight, everything that your coaches and everyone that tells you, you understand it. For some reason it sinks in a lot easier, doesn't it?
It's just everything, the occasion, the lights and everything, when you know what it's like, I feel a little bit more mature now.
Was it everything that you expected? Sometimes it can be a disappointment, but I don't think it was for you.
As I said, none of it was planned. I didn't plan on all like where I was playing to the crowd and all that. No, I've never ever, if you would have asked me 2 weeks before the fight, are you going to fucking get involved with the crowd? And there's a little no. But when I was in there and I could hear everybody, it just honestly, I loved it. I just thrived off it. Brilliant. I was like, obviously you have a little bit of nerves, especially it was my first fight for like 2.5 years as well. 3 years it was.
Do you recognise, as we said this before, but obviously, you know, saying things and doing things are two different things.
Yeah.
When you went out there, did you feel you were a lot different from when you had your last amateur fight?
1,000,000%. Like, honestly, 1,000,000%. It's unrecognisable. Loads of people said to me, you haven't seen me box for years. I was dead negative, and towards the end of the amateurs I was dead negative on the back foot. Wouldn't throw a lot. I was waiting too long, and you know, even sparring there, James is good, he's quality, but...
And naturally bigger than you?
I've got to shoot, yeah.
Go on, shoot you later.
See you later.
See you later.
See you later.
See you later, mate.
Yeah, just having that bit more confidence, putting people on the back foot, and you know, James is heavier than me, and look, he's one of the slickest, hardest to hit people I've ever been in with. James is quality, but just having that cop, like, even the first time I sparred James, he chased me down the ring, don't know what I mean, and was like picking me off, and just having that confidence now to push people back and hold me, you know, feel strong.
But obviously, that's another thing as well. You've physically changed. I said it in the last interview. You're not the person you were skin and bones when I last spoke to you. Now you're filling out. Can you feel that effect now?
Definitely.
You filling out?
Yeah, no, I felt, even that's what I was saying, I feel stronger now than I did before my last fight. In only 8 weeks, I feel like like it's been harder to make the weight this time, and I feel I've grew a bit more, and I've been stronger in sparring, I've been hitting harder, and then hopefully it's going to show each fight if I get stronger and a bit better.
Well, listen, if you're not improving in your first 10 fights, then you're doing something wrong. Each fight should be a little bit better, and then hopefully, like I say, when you get to those close to double figures, then we can see what potentially you can be.
Yeah, it's like having 50-50 fights and, you know, pushing on for small titles then, isn't it?
And at your age as well, you don't really have to rush, because you will get to those figures, and you'll be like Brad Lee, hopefully. He's 23 now, and he's just entered the big stage. He's 11 and 0.
That's what I mean, definitely. You know, he's flying, Brad, isn't he? I've watched Brad from an amateur, he's quality. I've always looked up to Brad a little bit. He's a good kid, really good kid. He was always a little bit heavier and a little bit older than me. And when you've got your eye on people, because when you're getting older, you think, oh, I might go up to it, and he's always been unbelievable. Brad, sharp, good. Boston boxing, so Alex Patterson.
Yes, that was another cool, wasn't it?
Yeah, an unbelievable fight, boss fight in the air.
He was in one of Jake Harrison's teammates from Chennai.
Yeah. He's quality, Alex, as well.
Well, listen, just got to catch up with you. 5th of November, Pommy night. You're out again for fight number 2. Not sure of an opponent, there is a few names floating around, but we won't bother confirming them until it is confirmed. To be a little nearer the date. But like I say, everything's going really well, looking great shape, and like I say, confidence-wise, you're going to take a lot from that last fight.
Definitely, yeah. I want to see a bigger performance next time. Every time it's going to get better. Hopefully get some knockouts on. Dying for one.
Listen, Sean, always good to catch up with you, mate. Like I say, probably next time I'll be speaking to you, hopefully I'll be saying 2-0.
Definitely 2-0, yeah.
Take care, mate.
See you soon.
Bye.